how to add a website link on your Facebook page. Now this is really useful so customers can head over to your website from your Facebook page. Now all you need to do is go and load up the Facebook app either on your mobile or your computer. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side and then click on this drop down arrow to bring up your list of profiles. You then need to select your Facebook page from the list of options and that should go and sign you in to this specific page. Now if you click on your profile icon once again, you could then click on your profile name and this will take you over to your profile page like so. Now if you scroll down on your page, you'll see the section for About. Go and click on this. You could then scroll down again and click on Edit Public Details. Now scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the section for Links. Go and click on Add. You could then press Add New Link and then select Website. Now you just need to enter the URL of the website that you want to add to your page. So I've already got mine copied over to the clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it in like this and click on Save. Now once you've added the link, make sure it's set to public so other people can see it. You can then head back over to your profile page and go and refresh. You can see now it will display our website link on our Facebook page.